So, I'm just kind of doing random art nonsense right here. So, I'm just going to do swirls and make this piece just pop out more. So, I don't really know the direction of this channel. I'm still trying to figure it out. So, not feel down. And just like have fun with it. And yeah, I'm just kind of rambling. I'm going to title this Making Art and Rambling. I'm not going to care about the view count, just put this out there. I watched this video by Greg Toad and it's about small creators, and yeah, I'm just kind of see where this goes. I don't know what kind of marketplace I'm filling, what kind of niche I'm filling up, and I think I'll figure that out. But I'm just kind of having fun doing this. This art piece in particular, like my channel, I wouldn't say it's personal, like hobbyized fun yet. I think that's the best type of content, and not doing it for money. Money is an addition. But yeah, that's kind of where I'm at the moment. I just want to have a blast. And I've never done something like this before. Like just random swirls. But not really like they're just like highlighting cabs and giving great contrast. With this weird looking bird. Or is it a bird? Some type of creature. Oh, yeah, I like that. Alright, yeah, gotta upload this now. Thank you for watching. I can do better outro than that. Come back here, I'm gonna make you holler for the view. No, what am I doing? Okay, I haven't got. Come back here. I'm gonna talk. I'm gonna be real, or put on the cat. You know what? Just have fun if you watch. Just have fun. Thank you for your time. Hey, hey, hey.